Hello, everybody. Welcome to September 2nd, 2025. Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. Um, these are my thoughts and preparation for this week in the markets. Um, Firstly, why should you listen to me? I have over 30 years of experience in the markets, trading, investing, scalping, swing trading, and everything you can think of. For 15 years, I traded at an investment bank. I am an early retiree. I'm a self-made multi-millionaire. I went to school for finance and investments, and so those are my credentials, and hopefully that will be worthy of listening to me. And before we begin, there's a disclaimer at the end of this video to cover my rear end. And with that, let's get started. It is 6:54 a.m. on the East Coast. And the futures are down across the board. S&P, Dow, Nasdaq, and the small cap indices are all down. Although we do have about 2.5 hours until the market opens, and things could change. Right now, they are down. This week on the economic calendar, it is busy. It is busy today. At 10 o'clock, we have the ISM numbers that I think traders will be looking at. We got stuff on Wednesday. We got Thursday stuff. And on Friday, we have the all important jobs number. I think that's going to be the most important of the week. I think the traders are going to be looking at this. I think the Fed Reserve is going to be looking at this. I think this is going to be a pivotal number for many reasons. And it can very uh, importantly determine whether we get a rate cut and whether it be 25 basis points or 50 basis points later this month. On the earnings front, the calendar is not as busy as prior weeks, but we do have Salesforce on Wednesday after the close and Broadcom on Thursday after the close. I don't play earnings, but I do pay attention to them. They could be market moving events, um, but I think that the most important one's probably going to be Salesforce and Broadcom, and there's some others. Gold is at a all-time high once again. I am long gold. I've been long gold for a while. I think gold hits 3,800 by the end of this year. And if things get hairy with the markets, could reach possibly 4,000 by the end of this year. And if not by this year, by next year for sure, 4,000. I see no reason why gold should go down um, unless there's still some profit taking. But I mean, as long as we have rate cuts ahead of us, we have record debt. Um, and we just have general uncertainty in the markets. I think gold continues to rise, and also silver. Silver is not at an all-time high, but it is at multi-year highs. I am long silver as well. I've been long silver for a while. Um, I see no reason to sell silver or gold in this environment, and I think silver can hit 45 by the end of this year. If things get really hairy, 50. And just like with gold, if silver doesn't hit 45 or 50 by this year, next year for sure. I see no reason why it won't. Looking at the bond yields, looks like they are up with some significance this morning. The 30-year is getting very close to 5%. As you know, 5% is at a very psychological level for the bond yields on this is the 30-year. Um, it's crossed 5% before in the past, obviously, and has always come down. We will see if it breaches 5% today. I think if it does reach 5%, the market conditions can deteriorate even further. If it backs off, I think that'd be more bullish. But either way, be paying close attention to this number, this 5% yield on the 30-year. Bitcoin is up finally. It feels like it's been going down and down for weeks. Ever since it's hit all-time highs. Looks like it's up a little bit. Ethereum is down a little bit right now. I am long both Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've been long both for a long time, and have no plans on ever selling Bitcoin or Ethereum. And if they do drop dramatically, I'll be adding to my positions. But I am bullish on both Bitcoin and Ethereum. A couple stocks I own, SoFi first, is down in the pre-market. It's had a nice run, but this is just down with the rest of the market. I think SoFi hits $30 by the end of this year, if not higher, and from there, who knows where it goes. Uh, or I should say, who knows how high it will go. But I think it sees 30 by the end of this year. I've been long it for a while. I have no plans on selling it. The other big holding I have is NVIDIA, another popular stock that people have. And this one is down a little bit in the pre-market, but I don't think there's any concern here. It's just down with the rest of the market, and I see no reason to sell it. I think NVIDIA hits 200 by the end of this year, and I am long it, and I have no reason to sell it. So those are some of my thoughts for the week. I just wanted to mention real quickly that obviously we're in the month of September, and as you know, September is the worst month historically for the stock market. And there's been a lot of fear on Twitter and on YouTube and on other channels about how bad September can be. I am not in that group. I think that we have some bullish catalysts um, with the rate cuts that are going to be coming, at the later this month and in later months. I think that the tariff stuff's going to be straightened out, and I think that as long as Donald Trump is president, he's pro market, he's bullish for the markets, and I think if we do happen to see any sort of sell-off in the markets, whether it's today or next week or any time, that's a big if. I think that's just going to be a buying opportunity, just like it was when we had that big sell-off back in April, May. That was a great buying opportunity, which I jumped in on. And if we do see another sort of sell-off, I'll be jumping in again on that. So those are my thoughts of the week. If you want to read a disclaimer, it's coming up ahead. Otherwise, have a great day, everybody. Thanks for listening. And please like the video. Bye-bye.